Assalamu alaikum. This one home security camera, indoor camera, Wi-Fi. See, this is the Wi-Fi camera, indoor, and inside this is the catalog application V380pro. This is the application, and power cable. This is a power adapter, and this one for a stand. Now I can fix power cable. I can fix there. This one power cable, this side you can put.
Camera is starting. Please wait.
Now starting camera.
Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
Now already finished working. Then this is the reset button and SD card. This side SD card, and this is the reset button. Now I can reset this one.
Reset completed. Camera is restarting.
Now reset finish. Camera close and open.
Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
And Play Store, download V380pro Wi-Fi, V380pro application. This one V380pro now already have installed, and go Wi-Fi first and connect MB, this one
Hotspot is connected. Please return to the app to complete the network configuration.
and now data off, and can go now application. And you can registration email address, and without email address they are writing try without an account. You can, and connecting. Now you can refresh, same like this. You can refresh downside and add camera. This same Wi-Fi connect. This one coming already. Add device. See, now online camera. Okay. Now already camera working. Then after you can put the Wi-Fi, connecting the Wi-Fi, go to 3 dot and setting, then there have the network. There select Wi-Fi station mode, select, and select your Wi-Fi 2.4G. This is camera 5G not working, only 2.4G Wi-Fi. Select 2.4G Wi-Fi, and this side give the password, Wi-Fi password, then save.
Receive configuration information. Connecting.
Already finish connecting. Refresh.
Network connected.
Now already working IP. See, now I can data open and Wi-Fi close, working also. See, and there have the sound. I can talking here. Hello, 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 hello. There have the sound. Then you can listen. There have the option. This is open. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. They are coming the sound. Close, and off corner have the playback option. There blue writing playback. Can select, and micro SD card. They are also coming. You can put the memory card. Also coming the playback. This side now no have SD card, no have anything, now not working. Then the live again can go. No, already working. Then go to three dot and go to settings. There have password option. You can put the change password. You can select the password, new password, and give the camera time setting. There you can choose camera time setting. And have the alarm system and motion director alarm system.